G'day, welcome. We're going to look at how we can use logs in a practical example. So this is one of my favourite problems. The number of teeth of a Collingwood supporter is given by the function y equals 32 times 0.95 to the power of x. Okay, in this case x is the time in years and y is the number of teeth that the person has. So what is the amount of teeth the person has before they became a Collingwood supporter? So this occurs when the time is equal to 0, or in our case x is 0. So if we're substituting a 0 into this equation, we have 0.95 to the power of 0. Remember the 0 index law, any number to the power of 0 is 1. So we have 32 times 1. So the initial amount of teeth is 32. How many teeth do they have after 5 years? Okay, so this time is 5, so we're just substituting 5 into the equation that we're given. So if our calculator here, 32 times 0.95 to the power of 5, this is equal to 24.76. Okay, so just after 5 years of supporting Collingwood, you only have 24.7 teeth. Okay, your 25th one is well out on the way. We'll round that 24.8. Now don't forget your units here, teeth. 32 teeth. Okay, how long will it take for them to have only 10 teeth? Okay, so we're solving for x and we're given y. We're told 10 teeth, y is equal to 10, is equal to 32 times 0.95 to the power of x. Okay, and this is just like our log problems that we have. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of that 32, so we just have one number on each side. So we do that by dividing both sides by 32. Hopefully our algebra skills are tip top. So on that side we got 10 on 32, and we got 32 at the top and bottom, so that can cancel. Okay, so what we have is 10 on 32 equals 0.95 to the power of x, and now we're going to log both sides. So we have the log of 10 on 32. Alright, and you can just calculate that as a decimal, that's fine. Is equal to log of 0.95 to the power of x. Okay, now we've put that x there. Remember, our log law is we can just move it straight down the front here. We've got x on this side and we want to get x by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by log of 0.95. Okay. And that's cancelled on this side. So we have x is equal to log of 10 on 32 divided by log of 0.95. Now sometimes the question might ask for what is the answer in exact form. This is exact form because it tells us the exact amount of decimal places. Okay, if it asks for it in decimal form, that's when you go ahead and put these values into your calculator to solve them. Okay, so we'd have, let's just do this one first. 10 on 32 is 0.3125, so we have log of 0.3125 divided by, now I should have put brackets around the first one as well, log of 0.95. Okay, if we go ahead and do that, 22.67. So what does this tell us? X is equal to 22.7 years. So after 22.7 years, unfortunately, if you're a Collingwood supporter, you'll only have 10 teeth left. Okay, so a pretty cool example. Of course, the other way we can do this is G-solving in our calculator, but it's extra cool that we can use logarithms to help us solve this problem. And that's the process I want you guys to use for the questions that we have here. So I hope this helps.